Alright, it's a giant mess right now, but it doesn't matter. I really want to open up this box, which has been sent by a fellow drifter from Japan. Shout out to Donald Jackson Jr. Thank you very much for sending these in. So let's just get to opening them up. I'm really excited. I really want to see what's up with all this. I need to get my papers out and yeah, let's see where we can start. Alright, so these are very cool and completely designed by him shoes. These are going to be my new drift kicks. And they're called the Pinkustyle BNRS. As you can see right here, by Donald Jackson Jr. So that's really cool. Also, the design itself of the box and the car is also really dope. So we'll have a different shot on there as well. Magnetic box. Oh, he has put in a Japanese plate in there for me. That's really freaking sick. I have to check that out. That's really cool. But oh my god, there's even more stuff in here. Hang on. What's this? Oh, these are going to be stickers. I'll have to open that in a few. I really want to see what these shoes look like. And I can already tell you, oh, there's more stickers here. Nice. Gonna save those stickers for sure. So the cool thing is, these are made in Italy. Wow. And this is how they look. They look just like the picture. No AI, no Photoshop. Really freaking cool. So we have to put these on and see what they look like. Made in Italy. Nice.
Pinkustyle, man, these shoes are unique. Pinkustyle, like you trip them with your feet. Pinkustyle, gotta buy them right now or else FOMO hits you like a trip train. aliveshoes.com/brand/Pinkustyle, so check them out right now. aliveshoes.com/brand/Pinkustyle, so check them out right now. Pinkustyle, Pinkustyle. Pinkustyle. This video has been sponsored by Donald Jackson Jr. These shoes are pretty exclusive and so much cooler.